I am teacher Ranalyn and I am your teacher for today. Who is the class secretary? Okay, please check who is absent. But before we proceed, let us have our classroom rules first for us to follow. First is, listen if someone is talking in front. Second, avoid unnecessary movements. Raise your hands if you have questions and clarifications. Third, respect everyone and avoid shouting inside the classroom. Fourth, be honest. And the last is, participate actively in the class. Are the classroom rules clear? Alright, very good. Now, I prepared an activity for you to answer to test your prior knowledge for today's discussion. Write check if it is paired number. Otherwise, write X if it's not. First, we have 2. Is 2 a paired number? Yes, very good. What about number 2? 5. Is 5 a paired number? Very good. 5 is not a paired number because there is 1 left. What about number 3? Is 4 a paired number? Yes, very good. 4 is paired number. What about number 4? Is 8 a paired number? Very good. It is paired number because if we pair 8, we have 4 pairs. What about number 5? Is 3 a paired number? No. Very good. Because if we going to pair 3, there is 1 left. I have here a scenario. Please listen attentively because afterwards, I will ask you randomly. The grade 3 students went on a picnic. Their teacher brought 8 chairs for the picnic table. The teacher arranged it in a pattern way. Okay, let's count the chairs in a pattern way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which group of chairs have pairs? Very good. The group of chairs have pairs is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Which group of chairs have 1 left? All right. We have 1, 3, 5, and 7. Very good, learners. Let's give ourselves a very good clap. Now, we'll find out what do we call of these numbers. Based on our activity, what do you think is our topic for today? All right. Our topic is identifying odd and even numbers. An odd number is an integer that cannot be divided evenly by 2, leaving a remainder of 1. Odd numbers always end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For example, 7 is an odd number because it leaves a remainder of 1. Another examples, 21, 43, 55, 27. These are odd numbers because if we divide them by 2, they have remainder and their last digit end with 1, 3, and 7. An even number is an integer that can be divided by 2 or can be paired without a remainder. Even number always end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. for examples: 10, 22, 34, 56, and 68. Okay, for example, if we divide 8 by 2, or if we paired 8, there is no remainder. Do you understand, class? Do you have any questions and clarifications? Alright, because you don't have any questions and clarifications, I have here an activity for you to answer. Write odd if the number is odd, and even if the number is even. Number 1, 8. 8 is even. Very good. Number 2, 13. 13 is odd. Very good. Number 3, 4. 4 is even. Very good. Number 4, 9. 9 is odd because it has a remainder. Very good. Number 5, 20. 20 is even. Very good because it can be paired or it can be divided by 2. Now, let's proceed to our group activity. Now, I will divide the class into 3 groups, and each groups have different tasks to do. I will give you 5 minutes to complete your task. Group 1. Sort me. The objective of your activity is identify and classify numbers correctly. On the paper, draw a table with 2 columns labeled odd numbers and even numbers. Write the following numbers randomly: 15, 22, 47, 60, 91, 34, 89, 10, 51, and 78. As a group, write each number in the correct column. For Group 2, fill me. The objective of your activity is recognize patterns of odd and even numbers. Each group completes the number patterns below. Circle all even numbers in blue and odd numbers in red. We have here 2, 8, 9, 12, 5, 7, and 24. Next is Group 3, Match Me. The objective of your activity is identify odd and even numbers in a story context. Each group reads the story below. Underline all the numbers mentioned. Classify each as odd or even in a table. The story is Lisa bought 7 apples and 4 oranges. She gave 3 apples to her friend and kept 2 for herself. Then she placed all 10 fruits on the table. Now, let's proceed to our digital quiz. Are you excited? Alright, very good. Direction. Encircle the odd numbers and underline the even numbers below. The numbers are 1, 7, 8, 4, 3, 20, 0, 14, 22, 37, 19, 99, 82, 67. Alright, let's check. Which is the odd numbers below? We have 1, 7, 3, 37, 19, 99, and 67. Okay, let's proceed to the even numbers. Which are the even numbers below? We have 8, 4, 20, 0, 14, 22, and 82.
Now, I will ask you, how did you know that 82 is an even number? Explain your answer. Yes, very good. 82 is an even number because it can be paired and the last digit is 2. How did you know that 67 is an odd number? Explain your answer. Very good. 67 is an odd number because we cannot pair it equally, and if you are going to pair 67, there is one left. And also, the last digit end with 7. Okay, is 0 an odd or even? Explain your answer. Alright, 0 is considered an even number because it meets the definition of an even number. It's an integer that is divisible by 2 with no remainder. In other words, 0 can be divided by 2 without leaving a fraction, making it an even number. Think of it like this. If you have 0 cookies and you divide them among 2 friends, each friend gets 0 cookies. No leftovers.
I have here an activity for you to answer. When we share food, candies, or toys with friends, we can use even numbers to make sure everyone gets the same amount. Example, if 8 candies are shared by 2 friends, each gets 4, even number, or fair share. If 7 candies are shared, 1 is left, odd number, cannot share equally. If you have 12 cookies and want to share them equally among your 3 friends, how many cookies will each friend get? Alright, we have 4 cookies for each friend get. Is 12 an odd or even number? Very good. 12 is even number because we can divide it by 2. If we are going to pair 12, we have 6 pairs and there is no one left or remainder. So it is even number. Is the cookies divided equally among your friends? Very good. It is divided equally among your friends because each friend have 4 cookies. Okay class, now I will ask you, what have we discussed today? What is odd number? What is even number? Okay, let's give ourselves a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. To test if you really understand our lesson, I have here a quiz. Direction. Identify the numbers if it is odd or even. Write it in the table below.
Okay, tell me which are odd numbers. Alright, we have 9, 71, 77, 23, and 85. These are odd numbers. Now, let's proceed to the even numbers. We have 4, 60, 88, 44, and 50. These are even numbers.
Okay, class, that's all for today. Once again, I am Teacher Ronalyn, and thank you for listening.